Do you know about the top 5 varieties of heritage roses for timeless beauty? These roses, brimming with enchanting allure, each carry unique characteristics that make them stand out in any garden. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 varieties of these enchanting flowers. First up, we have the Alba roses. Known for their resilience and frost tolerance, these beauties boast pure white to soft pink blooms. Their sweet, rich fragrance is a delight that wafts through the air, captivating the senses. Alba roses are a truly classic choice, perfect for any garden. Next on our list are the Bourbon roses. Originating from the French island of Bourbon, these roses are renowned for their unique double blooms in shades of pink and purple. Their strong, sweet fragrance is a sensory delight. Bourbon roses, with their strong fragrance, are sure to be a standout in your garden. Now let's explore the Damask roses. Known for their exquisite beauty, these roses flaunt distinct hues of pink and white. But what sets them apart is their intoxicating fragrance, a heady mix of musk and fruit. Damask roses are not only beautiful, but they also have a rich, intoxicating fragrance. Moving on, we have the Gallica roses. Adored for their intense color and rich fragrance, these roses are a true spectacle. With their compact growth and unique deep pink to purple hue, they're a standout. Gallica roses are a historic variety that brings a touch of elegance to any garden. Last but not least, we have the moss roses. Known for their moss-like growth on the flower's stem, these roses offer a stunning array of colors and a captivating musky fragrance. Moss roses are certainly a unique and eye-catching addition to any garden. There you have it, the top 5 varieties of heritage roses for timeless beauty. Alba, Bourbon, Damask, Gallica, and moss. Each unique, each breathtaking. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.